Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, in Louisiana, 2 new plaintiffs claim Zofran caused critical heart defects. On June 8, 2015, 2 women from Louisiana brought a new claim against international pharmaceutical giant GlaxoSmithKline, adding their complaints to a growing litigation that now includes at least 10 individual lawsuits. These mothers say that prenatal exposure to GlaxoSmithKline's anti-nausea drug, Zofran, caused their children to develop severe congenital heart defects. The joint complaint was filed in the United States District Court for the Western District of Louisiana under case number 15-1815. Both plaintiffs say that they were prescribed Zofran as an off-label or unapproved morning sickness treatment during early pregnancy. The first plaintiff delivered her daughter on July 15, 2010, and the child was quickly diagnosed with 3 congenital heart defects: atrial septal defect, ventricular septal defect, and intermittent tachypnea. The plaintiff claims that her child, named LD in court documents, underwent a surgical procedure to repair her ventricular septal defect. The second plaintiff delivered her daughter, VP, on August 9, 2005. She too was soon diagnosed with a congenital heart defect, accelerated ventricular arrhythmia. Created by a fault in the heart's electrical system, the condition causes the organ's upper chambers to pump out of rhythm with its lower chambers. According to court documents, this congenital heart defect nearly caused VP to die shortly after birth. The mother says that her child's condition required frequent and intense medical monitoring for the first 5 years of her life. In their complaint, the plaintiffs note a series of major scientific studies that have linked prenatal exposure to Zofran with increased risks for birth defects. 3 of these studies have indicated increased risks specifically for cardiac septal defects, including the atrial septal defect and ventricular septal defect with which one plaintiff's daughter, LD, was born. As in previous Zofran lawsuits, the plaintiffs allege that GlaxoSmithKline unlawfully promoted the drug as a safe and effective morning sickness treatment. In doing so, they echo charges filed against the company by the U.S. Department of Justice in 2012. In a landmark case of alleged healthcare fraud, the federal government claimed that GlaxoSmithKline had marketed Zofran to doctors, including obstetricians and gynecologists, as a safe drug for pregnant women to take. But Zofran has never been approved for use during pregnancy, and GlaxoSmithKline has never even studied the drug's effects in pregnant women. Perhaps more troubling, plaintiffs say that the company has been aware of Zofran's potential risks during fetal development for more than 2 decades. They claim that GlaxoSmithKline concealed mounting evidence of Zofran's association to major birth defects from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, physicians, and public. In response to these allegations, Monheit Law has gathered an alliance of plaintiffs' attorneys to pursue the claims of parents who believe that prenatal exposure to Zofran may have caused their children to develop major birth defects. Families are encouraged to contact Monheit Law for more information on the Zofran litigation and a free consultation. For more information, visit the link below. And to learn more about this video news release, visit PRReach.com.